Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth enabled and is unlocked so pairing prompts can appear. Keep the AirPods Pro 2 case charged and closed, then bring it within about 1 meter of the phone. Open the lid while holding the case near the iPhone. This initiates the proximity handshake. You do this because iOS uses a secure, fast setup protocol that detects the AirPods and displays the animated pairing card automatically. Once the card appears, proceed to the next step. When the animated pairing card shows, tap Connect immediately. This completes the device exchange of keys and authenticates with your Apple ID. You may be asked to set up Hey Siri, except if you want voice control, because it enables hands-free features. Next, select Spatial Audio and Noise Control defaults. These settings tailor soundstage and ANC behavior to your ears. Make sure to follow each on-screen choice. iOS will sync settings across your devices, linked to the same Apple ID once pairing finishes. Finish by opening Settings Bluetooth to verify the AirPods Pro 2 are shown as connected. This confirms the Bluetooth link and iCloud sync. You should play audio and test noise control and spatial audio via Control Center to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, holding the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.